Aloha, Richard Halverson here. This is ITS128, and I'm going to continue talking about dictionaries and dictionary methods. So let me share my screen. All right, so I just finished a video on this last section, and so now these are some additional methods that come along when you create a dictionary. You get a bunch of methods that are built into the class, and so these are. You can clear out the dictionary, make it empty. You can read the values of the key from the dictionary. If the key does not exist, the dictionary then it returns a default. So here you're trying to read. You want to get the value of key. It's like if the key is states and the values are capitals or something. So you have a state and then but if key is not in if there's not an element in the dictionary with the value of whatever key is, then it's going to return a default. So in this case, for an example, if you have a dictionary and you want to get out what the value of Jane is, but Jane's not in there, then instead it's just going to return an A. So in other words, it won't give you an error or null or whatever the response is when it's not in the dictionary. I think the response is that you get an error. You're referencing something that's not there. Here you can update a dictionary by merging the second dictionary with the first dictionary, with this dictionary. So this dictionary, you're adding this dictionary onto this dictionary. And if there are any values, if there's any keys in this dictionary that are also in this dictionary, they're going to get overwritten. This one will remove and return the value of the key, and if it's not in there, it'll return this. So this actually removes it. This does not remove it. This just gets it and looks at it. This will actually remove it. Okay, so here's making sure you understand that. Let's do another challenge. All right, enter the output of dictionary methods. Okay, so here we're out. Okay, got it. So Seattle's in there, but San Jose is not in there. Neither is Dallas. So we see that when we're printing these out, Seattle is printed, but nothing for San Jose, nothing for, okay, so let's start this up. Okay, you know how to do that one already. Let's do number 2. Okay, so this one gets Cincinnati, and oh, look, it's there. So it's going to do CVG. And then we're going to pop whatever Cincinnati is, and it's going to be CVG again. And then now Cincinnati's gone, and now we're going to try to get it again, and it's not going to be there. So it's oops, A. All right, let's do the last one. Let's see. Tokyo is here, and Tokyo is here. So when we update these, we see this is the one here where we are adding, we're combining this one into this one. But if there's anything in here that is also in here, it's gonna this one is going to take precedence. So we start out by printing out Vancouver, which is nothing, because there's no Vancouver up here. So we're going to print NA, and then we're going to print Tokyo, which is NRT, and then we're going to merge, and then we're going to print Vancouver, and now we have Vancouver. YVR. And then we're going to print Tokyo again, and it's going to be HND, whatever that is. Let's see. Boom. All right. Iterating over a dictionary. I got time here. So there are a couple of ways you can iterate over a dictionary. You know, you use a for. This is the standard way where you do for, and then for each key that's in there, for each key in the dictionary, you're going to do something. And of course, you can reference the values by using the key as the index to the dictionary. And so that's how you just, that's how it works. It's not necessarily in the order that they were inserted because it uses a hash, which you'll learn about later, I think. Do we learn about, oops, what did I do that for? Do we learn about hashes in this class? No, sorry, we don't. You gotta wait till next semester to learn about hashes. We are iterating. Okay, so that's how you, so when you do it this way, you just naturally iterate over the keys. And so this is going to be the value of a key, of a different key, each iteration. Now you can also iterate over, okay, so when you iterate over items, then you get both. So here, so okay, so there's, it's like, it's like, this is the default. Okay, this is the same as up here. Okay, so here you're just iterating over the keys and you get one value back and it's just the key. So if you put this here, if you call it dictionary.keys, that's what you'd be getting. But you can do dictionary.values, and there you're not iterating over the keys, but you're iterating over the values. And then you can also do items, and that way you get both as you iterate. So you see here we're doing items, and so you have to put two variables, two identifier variables over here, and then it's over the items, num calories items, and so you get both. If you just do keys, you're just going to get the Coke 0, and Pepsi, Coke. And then if you just do the values, you're just going to get the 90, the 0, and the 40. See, this is going to be the values. And you can use this list method, this list function to convert a either the keys or the values of a dictionary into a plain old list. So that's pretty cool. You can see here you're creating a list called list of distances. By just the values of whatever solar distances, and so that would be this one and this one and this one and this one. All right, so let's do a challenge. All right, write a loop that prints out each country's population in country pop. So first we're gonna load up country pop, and it's gonna print that out. Okay, so we've got to do, let's go back to here. Let me publish this. And yeah, I just don't know this thing very well. So what happens if I go there? I don't know. What happens if I just go like this? All right, good. We're back here again. Let me create a new project called this. And let me copy this, copy, paste, and let me, this is what the input should look like. Copy, and let me just put a comment here. Hashtag space paste. And so right now, if we're going to run this, we're supposed to so this is going to split it up. And so country pop is going to be populated with these 4 things. And then what are we supposed to do? We're just supposed to print it out. Oh. What is this? Did I get that? Ah, here. Okay, my solution goes here. All right. 4. And I'm going to do the items one. So 4, country and pop. For country, comma, pop, in country pop dot items, paren, colon, I get the colon. Okay, now I didn't, what if this is right? Let's see what happens. I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to run it and I'm going to paste it and I'm going to press enter and what does this look like? It looks pretty good. All right, let me publish this. Save. When published. Did I do this to the last one? All right, so that's published, I think. Let me go back. Oh, this is the one I just did. This is one I did earlier. Looks like it is published. Okay, and the way I can check is I can pull up a different browser. And this is my other replit. This is, see, I do stuff for the class under Rich Halverson, but this is my Halverson Rich. And I'm on this team, 128 fall 2022 team. And there it is. There they are. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna okay, so how far have I gotten? Let me go back to the dictionary nesting. Okay, so dictionaries, an element of a dictionary can be another dictionary. Okay, it can be anything. So we can have dictionaries. You can have a dictionary full of dictionaries. Okay, or even lists or whatever. So that's what they talk about there. There aren't any challenges in there, and so you should know where these labs are. You can go to Laulima, go to resources. And go to, I should have showed you this in the beginning of this video, but you go here to section equivalencies from previous semesters, and you can find the previous semesters, and then you can find the videos for 8, for example. So you can go to 128, video 24 and 25, and to do that, you go to 128, this one, or probably this one or something, spring, fall 2021, This one. So you go in there, go in this here, in there. Okay. All right. So this is pretty much takes care of chapter 8. And so I'll start with the next video. We'll start with the challenge exercises in the classes chapter. Thanks for watching.